welcome back. We're back here with the freaking Golf R. I'm ready to get this freaking video on the road. We're gonna have some raw driving POV experience today. I just want y'all to see what I feel all the time with the Golf R, because this thing is just freaking crazy. Got the UNITRONIC, full bolt-on, full exhaust. I wouldn't say full bolt because we're not big turbo yet, but that's gonna come soon. APR short shifter, lowering springs, new suspension everywhere. Honestly, honestly speaking, I mean, just come on, just look at the presence. Just look at it. Like, she looks freaking good. Look, it is only 345, it's only 345 horsepower, 340 pound-feet of torque. But I mean, that combination of the light car being all-wheel drive, front-wheel drive bias, you know, get a little bit of slip if you're trying to really rag on it. But we gotta go ahead. We gotta get some gas, flip up on some 94 octane, some Sunoco, which honestly might not be a difference, but I'm gonna just give it the best you can have. I mean, just plain and simple. We're gonna go ahead and get out on this road, stop chatting, and make it into some action. Alright guys, well, basically it's a little bit darker than what it was in the beginning of the video. So we're gonna have, you know, some passenger seat simulator. I already recorded this video one time before, so we gotta do it again. Mad because we had some good clips in the previous recordings, but it all had no audio, unfortunately. So just gotta do it again. So we're gonna have a little bit more fun with even less gas than what we had before. Talking, but it also may just be being just extremely focused because it is very dark. And a lot of giggling. Just because of how immensely amazing this freaking car sounds. I think this would be a nice time to launch it. Not so many houses around. Coming. I think we might as well go ahead and launch it really quick. You know, of course, just like the last time, even last night, the same thing happened. As soon as I got done launching it, even I was sitting there for like 5 freaking seconds trying to launch it correctly. A car passed. Sorry, clutch. I know, probably I rode the fuck out of the clutch. Bro, like the little like underload third to fourth. Honestly, no matter what car you're in, the underload third to fourth just sounds so good. That rev match from fourth to third, it just so good. That turbo spool is just so good. I hope you guys can probably hear the turbo spool. Like, it's not like crazy loud. I guess might not be great, not loud for the camera, but like it's not like you're like, you know, stereotypical like JDMs. It's like, you know, your nice smooth German freaking, you know, nice little turbo spool. It's just, you hear it spooling. So good. Like once this car gets up in the high RPMs with its exhaust, it just sounds so freaking be a lot of laughing. That's really all it's been for the past freaking minutes. Alright, so we're trying a little brake boost. Holy mackerel. Kind of mad I can't really like, because like, that freaking rollover when the spool comes on is crazy. Sorry people, again, you get to hear my not so loud car. When it's like nice and cool outside because you get all the turbo noises. Alright, we get a nice little first to third once we get up here. Alright, do a nice little just off the rip, even turning. Say that, because guess what? This is a simulation. This is not real life. Oh, that pop sounded amazing. Big bump. No, that second and third pop is crazy. Oh my gosh, that sounded so good. Oh man. What a thing. What a thing. I think I found out how to get the pops now exactly where I want them. Just put it under massive load and just let off halfway and shift it, bro. Oh my gosh. Guys, I get it from third to fourth too. I hope you guys can actually hear the nice little bang getting in between gears, bro. Oh my gosh. So freaking good. So good, man. See, you don't need 500 horsepower to have fun. Will I future have 500? Yes. But I'm having fun just as it is right now, bro. You just need a good sounding exhaust and good sounding turbo spoolie boy. A little bit of nice little tuner magic in there, spiced up somewhere in there, and man, you have a hell of a time. I'll tell you one thing, 340 horsepower never felt so good. Driving cars with a B58 and freaking N63 and whatever you can think of with 400 horsepower, man. It's just like with something, just a small motor turbo that can just rev out crazy. Oh, it's beautiful. This car is so good, man. I wouldn't mind something being I wouldn't mind having a forward wheel drive like GTI at this horsepower level, but like once you do that, that's a cop. Once you like, yeah, you have fun with a little bit of torque steer, which I freaking love, but like that instant just catch it, freaking move, it just ain't nothing like it, man. It ain't nothing like it. But tell you one thing, next car is gonna be DSG. I don't know. I still wanted to be able to experience something with DSG. Because like I know that'll be even more funny. Just because it'd be instant power each gear and just continuously moving. Whatever that word was. Oh man. Alright guys. That's gonna be the end of that one. I just want to get up some really raw just driving footage. Unfortunately, stuff didn't line up and then it got to nighttime very quickly. And actually I had this second time of me recording the video. It's 19 degrees right now. That's insane. I kind of hate being on the car while it's cold because like, I don't know, I feel like it's like not right. Because like air is more denser and it's just, air is less dense. Something like that. Air is more harder to compress when it's freaking cold. I don't know if that means it's more dense or less dense, but I do know it's harder to compress. But look, long story short, I don't want to talk you guys' heads off. I freaking love talking, but this car is just insane with this tune. It's the suspension, the NEUSPEED lowering springs, the freaking V8 struts, which actually comes stock on this car, I believe. I don't know if they come stock on this car, but like, when I went to go change the struts, I already had B8 BILSTIEN struts on them with the little Nürburgring logo on them. Like, that's such a flex. That's a freaking flex. I'm not going to lie. That's a big flex, and I'm flexing it. The Nürburgring logo on your shocks, you lit. Next thing, is definitely I'm going to get that stiffer rear sway, just stiffer sway bars in general. Man, this car is a hoot. I just can't imagine what it's going to feel like on big turbo. It being... I need gas. I need gas now. But hopefully that's not a cop. That's not a cop. But yeah, just like it being at 340 horsepower, 340 torque, like I just can't imagine what it's gonna be with 100 more horsepower than what it's at right now. Cause man, this thing's gonna be just flying. I can't wait. You guys will see it. Next video, we're actually gonna be installing my ECS tuning diffuser. It just came in, so we're doing that on Saturday. I'm gonna record that, so that'll be the video for next week. And a little more extra stuff added into it. We'll see what the freak happens that day. But hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.